Hello, fashion lovers. It's good to have you back on another dynamic episode on this House of Fashion. Hope you're all good and hope you're all staying safe. Today, we'll be looking at Ankara flay gown dress. This flay gown dress, they have different design which you can make your Ankara fabric with. And these are lovely ideas that you can have whenever you want to make your next flay gown. So I will be leaving you to watch all these lovely flay gown collection to the end so that you have one or two flay gown that you want to add to your wardrobe. So if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome to this House of Fashion, and on this YouTube channel we bring you latest style from different designers around the world. Using Ankara fabric or any other suitable fabric of your choice, but Ankara fabric are lovely with any style that you want to make them with. Why don't you just subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever new video arrive, you will be the first to get the update. And for those that join us on daily basis, I want to appreciate you all for always coming through on our YouTube channel. Expect more lovely video on the way, so watch all this collection to the end. can see you would love to add one of these amazing super stylish play gowns to your wardrobe. These are all beautiful and gorgeous outfits. So on this YouTube channel, we train on how to cut and sew lovely flare gown, and we've done a lot of tutorial on different flare gown. Is this 6 pieces flare gown or any flare gown of your choice? You can just scroll down to our YouTube channel to check all of our lovely video that we've done on how to cut and sew. So that's why you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are just joining us for the first time, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever a new video pops up, you'll be the first to get the updates. And for those that have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, it's good to have you all back. I hope you all join me in our next episode. Thank you for always supporting our YouTube channel. We'll be bringing you lovely and latest designer Ankara fabric and any other fabric that you love to see. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share. Have a beautiful and lovely time. Bye for now.